Hey guys, so we will look at the vocabulary part of the last unit of your books, 10.2 two-part phrases and 10.3 dimensions. So we will start with two-part phrases. Most of these you know. So for these phrases we use and to combine them, and generally we either use them with their complete opposites or we use them with a word that has a similar meaning. For example, we have do's and don'ts. So one is positive, one is negative. These are opposites. And we have on and off. Again, opposites. We have peace and quiet, similar meaning. We have sick and tired of, again similar meaning. Now you will go like this and try to match the rest of the phrases with each other. You can pause the video now. Okay, so on the left we have all of the phrases matched. So we said peace and quiet, ups and downs, sick and tired, pros and cons, now and then, give and take, through and through, rough and ready, leaps and bounds, on and on. And in the next column we have definitions. Now, some of these have a similar meaning with the way we translate them into Turkish, so try to match them with the definitions. You can pause the video now. Okay, so this is the phrases matched with their definitions. I think what could be very new here is through and through. It means completely. For example, if you like Avrupa Yakası, the TV series, and if you say you have watched it through and through, it means you have watched all the episodes. Rough and ready, this could be new. Well, it means when you do something very quickly, you don't put a lot of time or effort into it. It means you did it rough and ready. Leaps and bounds again means very quickly, but unlike rough and ready, it doesn't have a very negative meaning. Okay, so here we have a second set of two-part phrases. This time you will combine them with or. So again, there are some clues here. For example, we have take it, and we will match it with leave it. Take it or leave it. Again, so here you will match them with their opposites. Pause the video now. Okay, so on the left we have the phrases matched: take it or leave it, sooner or later, sink or swim, give or take, all or nothing, life or death, hit or miss, one way or another. And on the right we have the definitions. Try to match the phrases with their definitions. And here we have the phrases matched with their definitions. All of them are pretty self-explanatory, so I will just move on to the practice. So for this one, we will use the set of phrases that we studied first. You can pause the video and try to fill in the blanks. And here are the answers. Now, our second set of this is 10.3 dimensions, a new vocabulary set. So, on the left we have a list of adjectives, all of which I think you already know. So all of these are adjectives, and on the right, you will turn them into nouns or verbs, and each line is for how many letters the word contains. So try to change the forms. You can pause the video now. And here are the other forms. I don't think meaning-wise we have anything new here. So I will just move on to the practice part. 5 questions. So you will use 5 of the words in their noun or verb forms to fill in the blanks. You can pause the video now. And here are the answers. The height, the length, shorten, thickness, narrow. So, okay. And you can practice these items on my English lab. And that's it.